Hi, it's meteorologist Joe Fury in the Storm Team 8 Weather Center. This weather pattern is very interesting in that it will throw some really nice days at us, and then it'll just come back and punch us and knock us down. Yes, we are getting farms knocked down in a big way along the Connecticut River. This really is a historic weather event in terms of having the Connecticut River as high as it is this time of year. As a matter of fact, the last time the Connecticut River was this high at Hartford in the middle of July was 1897. Last time it got this high in July, which was early July, July 3rd, 1973, 50 years ago. When the river comes up, actually for farmers, the river comes up in late winter and early spring and gets the water into the field. That's good. Not good now. Wiping out tobacco crop, the corn and the vegetables and everything else. It's a real sad situation. And, to give you the idea of the power of the water, you've certainly heard about the dock and the boats coming off of the Seaboard Marina or Oasis Marinas there in South Glastonbury on Tryon. Again, that's unbelievable. So a real mess. No summer recreation on the Connecticut River, and won't be for a while. And no summer recreation in some areas that are along the river because it's flooded out. And speaking of flooding, we've got a flood watch in effect for parts of Connecticut through tomorrow as more rain is on the way. As a matter of fact, our friends up in Vermont getting pounded this afternoon. Heavy rain, thunderstorms, and even tornado warnings have been up there as well. We have had a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Litchfield County into Thursday evening. The flood watch is in effect for Litchfield County, Hartford County, Townsend, and Windham County through Friday morning. The Connecticut River at Thompsonville Enfield has actually come down 2 feet, down to flood stage at 15 feet now. The Connecticut River at Hartford, flood stage is 16 feet. It's still up at 20.5 feet. That's considered minor flooding. And Middle Haddam has moderate flooding. Moderate flood stage is 10.5 feet. That's where Middle Haddam is. Middle Haddam's going to stay at that level for the next day or two and figure on minor flooding along the Connecticut River right through the upcoming weekend. All right, let's concentrate on what is happening here, because the flood watch, for those of you that have problems with your basement, for instance, or have had big problems, and of course, the last place that can get any rain or should have any rain right now is up there in Litchfield County. But keep in mind, last week from Middletown to Hartford to East Windsor, 4 to 7 inches of rain, Enfield. And then we had 2 to 4 inches in eastern Connecticut a few days ago, back on Monday. So nobody can handle the water right now. And, we've got the showers and thunderstorms rolling through overnight tonight. You may hear it during the day tomorrow. At times the sun is out. At times there's storms passing through with the torrential downpour. So keep that in mind if you're traveling about. And then there are signs that we're going to get a big batch of heavy rain and thunderstorms in here between about 6 and midnight tomorrow evening. That would not be good. And then Saturday, some morning sun, afternoon clouds, the mid to upper 80s, very humid. There's the scattered thunderstorms Saturday afternoon. And how about more thunderstorms and downpours Sunday afternoon, Sunday night? This is a real serious situation for some. The thunderstorms, isolated severe, localized flooding, that's all the case for tonight and tomorrow. Again, it does not rain all the time, but when it does, it downpours, and you can end up with, again, flash flooding. Temperatures tomorrow, low 80s, very humid, and those showers and thunderstorms tomorrow night causing flooding issues in spots. Always got to watch out for severe, because that's the kind of atmosphere we're in as well, meaning damaging winds. We've seen that up in Vermont today with tornado warnings. And the idea for Saturday, some morning sun, afternoon scattered showers and thunderstorms, maybe a bigger band of downpours and thunderstorms Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. So you get the idea. The weekend's not very good, and early next week, hopefully it's okay. But again, this weather pattern not changing yet. We're getting all this flooding, heavy rain out of, a setup that is not even having any tropical weather entrained into it. So, obviously, big problems down the road. For right now, hopefully you have no problems tonight. Keep in mind, flood watch in effect until 6 a.m. tomorrow for Litchfield, Hartford, Townsend, Windham County, but that flood watch is going to keep going right on through the upcoming weekend and probably expand to more parts of the state. So you got to tune into Gil first thing on Friday morning with the very latest update. Hope you're doing well. Bye.